Once allies in ambition, now enemies in ideology. The most powerful man in America and one of the richest men on earth, Donald Trump and Elon Musk, are no longer shaking hands. They are throwing punches. And in 2025, this is not just a personal feud, it is a national storm. This is the inside story of how a billionaire broke ranks, how a president pushed back, and how the entire nation is now watching what happens next. I'm Uma and welcome to Trendline Times. Let's break this down. It all began with President Trump's sweeping legislative move, a massive economic overhaul known as the One Big Beautiful Bill Act. On paper, it was a bold attempt to reshape America's fiscal structure. In practice, it set off a political firestorm. Analysts explained the bill would increase federal spending by over $2.4 trillion in a decade, drastically slashing funds for green energy and eliminating electric vehicle subsidies. And Elon Musk, he didn't hold back. He made it clear that he viewed the bill as a catastrophic mistake, one that betrayed the very future it claimed to build. On May 30th, Elon Musk officially resigned from his high-profile role as head of the Department of Government Efficiency. It was more than a resignation, it was a declaration of defiance. Musk said he could no longer support a government agenda that, in his view, stifled innovation and ignored history's lessons. And then came the bombshell. Musk did not just criticize the bill, he reportedly began urging lawmakers to consider impeachment proceedings against Trump. The political gloves were off. Trump hits back. Trump, never one to stay silent, responded with fury. He turned to Truth Social, his digital weapon of choice. He expressed bitter disappointment in Musk, claiming that he had once considered him a genius but now believed Musk was suffering from what he called a dangerous obsession with opposing Trump, a syndrome he said that many others shared. Trump went further, casting doubt on Musk's mental fitness, questioning his loyalty and warning that the billionaire was overstepping the line between business and politics. The consequences were swift. Tesla's market value plunged by $150 billion in a matter of hours. Though the stock eventually recovered, the message had been delivered. The clash was shaking foundations. Market experts described the moment as a civil war within the Republican elite, warning that if Musk weaponized his influence or his platforms against Trump, it could lead to an unprecedented internal war. Let's see the political shockwave. This feud is no longer about policy, it could rewrite the roadmap to 2026 and even 2028. While Musk has not launched a direct political campaign, insiders suggest he has privately hinted at a possible reconciliation, though few believe the wounds can truly heal. The bromance is over. What's left is a fracture that could alter America's balance of power. The fallout deepens. Then came the next escalation. Musk warned he might suspend SpaceX Dragon missions crucial to America's space program, in protest against Trump's economic direction. He reportedly told close aides that he would not allow the US space program to be exploited for political grandstanding, and that grounding the Dragon might be the only way to make a serious point. The market spiraled again. Panic spread. The White House reportedly scrambled to de escalate the situation. Billionaire Bill Ackman is said to have stepped in, urging calm. Analysts warned that pausing Dragon operations could shatter global confidence in US space dominance. Musk eventually pulled back from the threat, but by then the damage was done, the trust already shaky had cracked. Then comes the Epstein accusation shock. The feud entered dangerous new territory. Musk posted a cryptic message, one that many interpreted as suggesting Trump's name might appear in the sealed Epstein files. While no evidence was presented, the implication alone was enough to ignite a firestorm. Trump responded by accusing Musk of desperation. He claimed to have given Musk everything and now believed he was being repaid with lies and betrayal. The fight had turned deeply personal, no longer just a policy war, this was a reputational battlefield. Now the White House steps in. As tensions spiraled, the White House reportedly reached out to Musk, urging restraint and reminding him of the broader stakes. A senior source warned that this conflict now touched matters of defense, energy, and even national stability. Trump may have softened his tone in public, but behind closed doors, the divide was only growing deeper. The question echoing across Washington, will either of them blink? Behind the curtain, the true battle is now unfolding in boardrooms, private meetings, and closed door legal reviews. Analysts believe there will be no handshakes or headline reunions. Trump, they argue, cannot afford to alienate the tech elite. Musk, on the other hand, quietly influences key swing states, and their silence, many say, is not born of bitterness but of cold political calculation. Insiders confirm Trump's advisors are quietly reassessing every government deal connected to Musk, from EV tax breaks to federal space contracts. Musk, for his part, is reportedly hosting a series of discreet summits, speaking with senators, hedge fund giants, and tech veterans. The word in the corridors of power, he is laying the groundwork for a new political coalition. Commentators suggest that while Musk may not run for office himself, he could easily fund a third party insurgency or create an entirely new political platform. This is not just a feud anymore, it is a strategic war for the future of American power. In a world where billionaires launch rockets and presidents dictate digital landscapes, this is not just about ego, it is about who really controls the future. Trump wants to shape America from the Oval Office. Musk wants to redefine its destiny with innovation, and when those visions collide, the tremors are felt across the world. I'm Uma and this is Trendline Times. Like, share and subscribe because the next chapter of this saga may reshape the world as we know it.